Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, May 28th, 2021. Please visit us at perfectstormtrading.com. You can get more information on our book, our trading techniques. The book comes with various software tools, many in Excel, and a couple of Windows based programs let you make all the calculations to display the output for these tools, and we also have this all available in NinjaTrader. Let's continue where we left off this week. We'll just continue to look at the trend and see where we are and what we expect for today. So yesterday went pretty well as expected. When we were on in the morning, we expected to get that low in the timing window here marked by this red black. The low actually came in a few bars before the start of that window, and then double bottomed and then started its move up. We had gotten this move down with the large green line, the large planet line, and then we bottomed here, but the Vedic had shown a strong uptrend for the day, so we got a really strong move out early, and then we made a high in the next timing window. And of course, when we have one of these windows, when we get this extended run that's really strong, we're going to get a correction. Even though we're in a bullish mode, we're still bullish, but we get reactions inside of trends. So all this does is allow us another opportunity to enter into this trend. So we were bullish throughout the rest of the day. So you can see now as we move into Friday, we're already going flat here on the Astro Excel sheet. Even though this is showing to be flat, we're pretty strongly bullish on the Vedic. We have one bearish window on the B1, which is the time between the two blue vertical lines I'm showing here, and that's between 5:10 and about 10 o'clock this morning. That there's going to be a little bearish pressure. Everything else is still bullish. It doesn't mean this time period is going to be bearish. There's just one bearish window there, but everything else is up on the Vedic. Let me pull that in here for a sec. Okay, there's the Vedic window. You can see here's the area of the low yesterday. We just missed the actual low outside the bright green black. We got the high come in the next timing window there. Here's the one bearish block I'm talking about, but we are neutral and bullish everywhere else. We have a little bit of a bearish period here, and then the Astro Excel's flat. So overall, the direction for today should be up. It might be a little bit neutral or bearish in the morning, and then after 10 o'clock, 10:30, when we get to all green here, we should be bullish for the rest of the trading day today. Let's move on to the pH indicator. I'll give you the turn times for today. There's a couple method 1 and then the rest of the method 2 turn times. So the next turn times this morning are coming in about 8 o'clock. Next one is about 9:15, and then about 10:22 we have the important segment change, which has been pretty strong the last few weeks at finding the highs or lows of the day, so that's kind of really important one to be looking at. And then in the afternoon we have the two M2s. The one sets up between 203 and about 211 or so, and then the last pH time for today is about 3:20, 15:20 in the afternoon. Okay, so there you have it. That's it for the week. The trend projections worked out pretty well. There are some other little subtleties maybe we'll get into some more next week. So we'll see how we close out the week. Monday is a holiday. There'll be light trading on the Globex probably early on, and that'll be about it. So we're moving into June then. We'll take a look at the June Astro Excel chart and see how the pattern shakes out. So we'll be back with another video tomorrow, and we'll talk to you then.